Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Potato buns recipe. The amount of breakfast pastry to be made in this video is 60 pieces, which is enough for 40 people. First, which ingredients will be used, and you will follow the preparation phase and the cooking phase. Deep container necessary to knead the dough. 180 grams of granulated sugar. 60 grams of salt. 100 grams of dry yeast. 250 grams of margarine. 400 grams of sunflower oil. 1 liter milk. Half liter of water. 3 kilograms of sieved wheat flour. 8 eggs. 20 potatoes will be enough. 250 grams of hot pepper paste. 1 bunch of parsley. In addition to dried mint and black pepper. Sesame and black seed will be used for. First, you need to boil potatoes. Add salt. Add boiling water and cook over medium heat. Potatoes need to be well cooked. Check the potatoes with toothpicks. Drain the boiling water. Pour the potatoes on a large tray and allow to cool in a cool place. Peel and prepare the boiled potatoes. Grate the peeled potatoes, or you can easily chop it with the help of a griddle. Finely chop a bunch of parsley. Add the chopped parsley to the potato. Add salt, add dry mint and pepper. Add some liquid sunflower oil or use butter. Add pepper paste. I prefer to use hot pepper paste. Mix completely. After checking the taste of the mixture, add into the container. Add white of eggs into large pots. Add the egg yolks into a separate bowl. Egg yolks to be added onto buns. Add salt and sugar. Add 250 grams of margarine. Add liquid sunflower oil. Add 100 grams of dry yeast. Add half a liter of water and 1 liter of milk. Mix until salt, sugar and yeast are dissolved in the mixture. First add half of the flour and mix thoroughly. Add the rest of the flour and stir. After the dough is a little thick, add it on the table. Continue to knead by adding light flour to the dough. Make sure that the dough is well kneaded, it needs to have a smooth dough consistency. Divide the dough into equal pieces. Divide the dough in half before. Then make 4 equal parts. Prepare the doughs in a thin and long way. Cut the dough into pieces of 80 grams. You can prepare dough of 80 or 100 grams. Roll the dough on a table or a bench, turn it into a ball. Flatten the dough balls by pressing them. Expand the doughs further with a roller. Having a small plate size will suffice. Add the potato mixture on the doughs. On average can add up to 40 grams, will be filled and abundant. After adding the inner ingredients, press with your hands, the potato mixture and the dough will combine. Roll the dough without over-tightening. Add prepared dough to baking tray. No need to lubricate the surface of the tray, you can use baking paper. Apply egg yolk with brush on buns doughs. Add sesame and black seed on them. Soak the dough in a hot oven and then bake. First set the oven temperature to 100 degrees. Place the dough in the oven heated to 100 degrees and wait for 15 minutes. Dough will swell in warm environment. After 15 minutes, bake at 160 degrees, 18 minutes. The top and bottom of the pastry should be fried in this way. Wait a little and serve the pastries when they're cold. Can be breakfast or snack. Soft and tasty potato filling. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.